How to create a Slack account. If you want to use the Slack application and wondering on how to create an account on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Slack application, just like this. After that, here you can find the Go On option. Right here, tap on it. Now tap on to skip. And from right here you can simply create an account using your Google, Apple or email ID. Now simply choose one just like this and tap on to sign in. And now you can see it is signing in. And now you can see you have simply created an account on it. And that's it. This is how you can create a Slack account. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.